Habit 1. Fixed wake-up time. Wake up at the same time every day. Your brain loves rhythm. Studies show consistent sleep schedules improve focus, mood, and hormones. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m., just wake up at the same time. Discipline starts the moment you open your eyes. Habit 2. Drink water. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Even mild dehydration reduces energy and concentration. Water improves digestion, brain performance, and physical strength. Before coffee, before your phone, hydrate your body. Habit 3. Daily movement. Move your body every day. You don't need a 2-hour workout. Walking, push-ups, stretching, everything counts. Research shows just 20 to 30 minutes improves mental health and discipline. A strong mind lives in a moving body. Habit 4. No phone in the morning. Stay off your phone in the morning. Morning dopamine spikes from social media kill motivation for the rest of the day. Weak minds react, strong minds think first. Control your mind, before your screen controls it. Habit 5. Read or learn. Read or learn for 10 minutes daily. Reading improves memory, focus, and decision-making. Books, skills, articles, anything valuable. Knowledge compounds silently. Weak habits entertain. Strong habits educate. Habit 6. Clean your space. Keep your space clean. Clutter increases stress and lowers focus. Make your bed, organize your desk, create order around you. How you treat your space is how you treat your life. Habit 7. Do one hard thing daily. Cold showers, hard workouts, difficult conversations, tasks you keep avoiding. Choosing discomfort builds resilience. Comfort makes you weak, challenge makes you sharp. Habit 8. Write daily. Write your thoughts or goals daily. Journaling improves emotional control and mental clarity. Write lessons, write mistakes, write direction. A man who understands his thoughts cannot be controlled by them. Habit 9. Eat real food. Protein, whole foods, less junk. Your diet affects energy, focus, and discipline. You don't need perfection, you need awareness. Habit 10. Create more than you consume. Build a body, build a skill, build a vision. Endless scrolling drains you, building defines you. Purpose is found in creation. Your future is not built in one day, it is built daily. Small habits, repeated, relentlessly. Start today, stay consistent and become unrecognizable.